out. It fell out. You don't want it? You don't want it anymore? It's pretty though. I want it. I think it came out of your wing. Why do you hate it so much? Why do you hate it? I want that feather back. I want it back. I want it back. I got it. I got it right here. Nero, you're crazy. You're crazy. You gonna get another one? Give me another one. You gotta get another one. Oh, it fell. Okay, I think we're safe. I think we're safe. Thank you.